Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to disable autoplay on YouTube. On the one hand, there's the functionality that loads and plays a video shortly after the one you're watching ends. On the other hand, there's the functionality that silently plays a video as you scroll through your feed. These two features functions independently of each other, so changing one doesn't affect the other. Both of these functions can be turned off with a few clicks. Changing the autoplay options for videos is a simpler affair that doesn't require any menus. To do so, tap a video to bring up the playback controls. Playback options appear at the top of the video. Tap the toggle to change the auto playback behavior. Alternatively, if you're looking for a more cumbersome methods, there's a menu option you can change. Tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Select Settings from the page that opens. Then, tap Autoplay. Tap the toggle to change your settings. Autoplay behavior is based on the device you use. You can turn on autoplay on your phone to listen to playlists and turn it off on your computer. Changes you make on YouTube do not affect your YouTube music preferences. So, even if you turn off autoplay on YouTube, YouTube Music continues playing your favorite tracks without stopping. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.